I'm here at the shop today trying to get some work done at Supermax Auto Repair, and I figured I'd go through some of the cars we have on the lot and what's going on. We got a couple of customer cars out front. We've got this E60 535 all-wheel drive. It's been sitting for a while, slammed out back. Got to bring it in, get it running, see what's going on with it. Another customer car came in for inspection. We've got this 2008 Volkswagen Jetta we bought. It was a no start, bought it blindly, thankfully. Got a key for it, started right up. It's got about 189,000 miles on it. And once it goes inside and gets checked on and anything it needs fixed, this will be for sale. I love the sound of these engines. These 5 cylinders. $189,000 miles on it. Got a check engine light, needs a couple minor things, but it's a nice car. My first brand new car that I ever owned was an 07 Jetta, Wolfsburg, black on black, but it was a 5-speed manual instead of the, I believe this is a 6-speed auto. Got your little trees right there, and your sunroof controls. It's a dial instead of a button. Your sunglasses holder. Not too bad. Started right up. Another customer car came in for, I believe, a brake job. And we have this big beautiful beast. This belongs to a long-time customer. He's had this for years. He tows his boat with it. Absolutely beautiful car. He's upgraded the rims and he's got these beautiful Michelin tires on it. I mean, just look at the reflection. Look how clean. Another customer car came in for some work. Another customer car for an engine. Another customer car for an engine. This truck we bought, again, no start, blindly. It starts, it has a bad transmission fluid leak and the cluster's burnt out, so we don't know what kind of miles it's got on it, but it's pretty clean. These are usually very rotted out, especially back here in the quarters. I'm wondering if somebody has already done this. Yeah, I can kind of feel some body work has been done here. They probably patched that up already, but it's not bad. We have this lovely thing right here that I'll be doing a brief video on. Mark III Supra Turbo, 69,000 actual miles. Needs a little bit of body work, and I think the flywheel is bad or uneven or not balanced or something, because even when you push the clutch in, it's got a bit of a vibration even when you rev it. Okay, there's your cluster instrument panel. It is a manual. Has the adjustable suspension, your lumbar support, power mirror. Love that radio. I mean, look at that. Okay, push the clutch in, neutral, and it's fired up. Little bit of smoke coming out the tailpipe from it sitting for a while. Got a Customer's 335 that came in, and the neighbors are doing donuts. 335i that came in needs an engine. Customer don't think they want to fix it. It's in pretty rough shape. Another 3 Series just came in for some work. We have this lovely Mercedes SL hardtop convertible. This car has been serviced by us for many years. There he goes again. Came in for some suspension work. It's, as you can see, slammed on this side. We found that the rods that connect from the control arm to the sensor, it looks like, they're broken, so we'll be replacing those. Another customer car that came in. He's a dealer. He bought this from an auction. Needs engine work and body work. Oh yeah, and this guy here, customer didn't want it anymore. Bad engine, and we needed parts off of it for another car that was hit in this quarter right here, so it gladly donated. I mean, wow, look at all that rust down there. Oh, and a cat. A cat's living inside. Look at that. Another customer car, that Audi right there. It's a 4.2. He brought it in for an engine, and somebody sold him the wrong engine. He insisted on getting the parts himself. That'll be going to the scrapyard. That's what's left of, I believe, a Corvette. Chop chop. And my Oldsmobile Tornado back there. That guy, we brought it in for sway bar links. The brakes need to be bled, and give it a once over before I bring it home, detail it, clean it up, pull some dents on it. And then this will be up for sale soon. I bought it from a friend of mine who needed to sell it, and it's got a little bit of a few dings on it. This one I started to pull the other night, and then I got busy. It was much bigger than that. But okay, my dad just called me, let me know he's got a flat, and to bring the tire plug kit with me tomorrow when I go to see him. Some idiot with a weed whacker hit some gravel and did all this right here. The car only had this one dent here, and then those are all courtesy of some idiot with a weed whacker, including that one there. That's, I think, the worst one. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all from gravel hitting it. But I got the right touch-up paint, and I'm going to go ahead and pull those out and then detail this. It's really dirty on the inside. Somebody spilt a big cup of coffee in there, but I'll take care of it. I haven't done a full video on this one yet. I've been so busy with work, and a couple of other customer cars, including this right here, a CTS4 wagon. Came in for a no start issue. Turned out some programming needed to be done. Customer's bike, and this big thing here. And there's what we use to push cars with. Instead of pushing them ourselves or using other cars, we've got this guy with a plow and a tire on the front. And as you can see, we got plenty of tires. We ran out of room in the storage upstairs and the storage outside. You can see we even have them on the rack outside. So these are all new tires in here. We have some upstairs in storage as well. Got a portable air compressor for when we work outside. But if you know anyone looking for tires in the Detroit area, give us a call, 313-277-4211. That's 313-277-4211. Supermax Auto.